Welcome to Redline Review. Information gathered indicates that the Bavarian carmaker has not yet unveiled an official 2026 motorhome camper model. The futuristic vehicles you currently see in pictures are artificial intelligence, AI idea designs or renderings. These concepts are commonly referred to online as BMW X-C Camper or BMW Motorhome concepts. The following are common examples of the conceptual and unofficial information we know about these alleged designs. With an electric range of roughly 40 miles and a total range of roughly 600 miles, electric vehicles should only be used for short excursions. A 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and an electric motor that generates about 375 horsepower are examples of hybrid drivetrains that can be connected. Luxurious camper interiors include induction cooktops, leather chairs, solar panels, auxiliary batteries, folding beds, and small restrooms. A rooftop tent can be added, and there is space for 2 adults to sleep. Based on the measurements and requirements, the quoted prices range from $90,000 to $180,000. Things that are not concerning and things that are true status. Information not disclosed to the public. BMW hasn't yet announced that it plans to get into the camper and motorhome market. Photos produced using artificial intelligence. There are a lot of videos or images on the internet that are created with artificial intelligence, AI, or concept art. The materials are not tactile, despite the striking designs. Information about the hybrid. Instead of being based on official press comments, the estimated numbers, which include 375 horsepower, 40 miles of electric vehicle range, and a total of 600 miles, are based on rumors. Concerning the degree of popularity of the idea, design fans are completely enthralled. Reddit, the BMW. There is a lot of enthusiasm, memes, and conversation about the possibility of real models. The reason it's unquestionably possible now. Observing as evidenced by the Neue Klasse, developments in electric car technology, and manufacturing ramp-ups in 2026, BMW is aggressively expanding its line of electric vehicles. To enter the motorhome market, BMW would need to forge new alliances, develop new production techniques, and make significant strategic adjustments, none of which have been made public. In conclusion, the bottom line: a humorous idea, computer-generated pictures, and hopeful imaginations are the sources of the current fascination with BMW motorhomes. This obsession has nothing to do with reality. Since early 2025, there have been speculations that BMW plans to launch a high-end hybrid electric camper in 2026. For the automotive sector, this would be a significant advancement. If you're interested in luxury concept campers, keep an eye out for boutique coach builders or auto shows. Some of these individuals may develop distinctive trailers using BMW's chassis. What are your thoughts on a 2026 BMW motorhome that is produced in a commercial environment? It is merely a wishful thought at the moment.